In ultra-large format and thick plate processing, manufacturers are facing increasing challenges. Slow cutting speeds, low precision on thick plates, severe bed deformation, limited load capacity, and high maintenance costs. All of these significantly impact productivity and machine stability. So how can we overcome these challenges and achieve high precision, high speed, and stable performance? Morn Laser provides the answer. The split bed fiber laser cutting machine. Optional crossbar enclosure for enhanced safety, environmental friendliness, and stability. To break through the limitations of traditional structures, featuring a unique inner and outer dual bed structure. The inner bed handles heavy plates and thermal load, effectively resisting deformation caused by heat and pressure. Meanwhile, the outer bed independently supports the beam, ensuring long-term precision and stability. During future upgrades, only the inner bed and blades need to be replaced, reducing long-term maintenance and upgrade costs by over 70%. The segmented fume extraction system ensures a clean and safe working environment at all times. The Z-axis features a fully enclosed modular design, providing protection against smoke and dust, reducing maintenance, and ensuring stable, efficient operation. Equipped with an intelligent bus control system, the machine delivers advanced smart functions. Intelligent piercing enables second-level penetration without spatter or lens damage, greatly improving efficiency. Automatic recutting ensures complete cutting by detecting uncut areas and reprocessing them automatically, enhancing overall stability. With one click, processing reports can be generated, including cutting data, consumable life, and maintenance reminders, clear and transparent. The intelligent cutting head features high-speed edge detection for automatic calibration, maximizing both safety and efficiency. With closed-loop monitoring and built-in sensors, it enables rapid diagnostics and early warnings. The anti-collision design allows quick recovery after impact, reducing downtime and operational costs. Optional crossbar enclosure for enhanced safety, environmental friendliness, and stability. Different processing needs require different solutions. Multiple working sizes and configurations are available, allowing you to choose the ideal setup for your specific application. Morn Laser FD Series, redefining ultra-large format fiber laser cutting machines.